Hi, what's up friends? Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from the Xtutorials. Hi friends, today I'm back with a new video, and this video is going to be about how to get the premium version of KineMaster. As you know guys, if you download the KineMaster app from Play Store, it has watermarks, the special effects, the sound effects, the music you want, all is premium guys. Like you have to pay money to buy it, and this thing is very annoying guys. So in this video I'll teach you guys how to get this premium version of KineMaster for absolutely free guys. No, you will not even have to spend 1 rupees, nothing guys, it's absolutely free. So let's get started. What you have to do is, as you can see here guys, I have my KineMaster, and when I open this, let me go back. Yeah, so this is my KineMaster guys. When I open it, as you can see guys, there is no watermark here. Normally when you open your KineMaster, here you can see a watermark reading that made with KineMaster, right? But I don't have anything here. So this is the premium version of KineMaster. So guys, I will be teaching you guys how to do this. So firstly, what you have to do is download AC Market. This is a cracked version of Play Store guys, where you find each and every app, every premium app from Play Store. Here you find that similar app, the very same app for free guys. It is a cracked version. Every premium app is free over here. This is called AC Market, and the link is in the description below, so you can download it guys. You have to simply type KineMaster. So here it is guys. What you have to do is simply click on install. As you guys can see here, the mod unlocked. It means the premium version of this is unlocked, and it is for absolutely free of cost guys. After you install it guys, here is your app. The app will be here, and so this was the tutorial guys. If you like the video, please like it, share, and don't forget to subscribe, as I make videos for you guys every day, each and every day. So it increases my confidence and many more things. So please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you for watching.